Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. I am Takisha and today we are going to be reviewing this beautiful body wave wig from Yolova Hair that I dyed jet black and added some layers to. So before we get started, don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel and let's get right into the video. So here is the box and it comes with a whole bunch of goodies in it and also a cute little message in the inside of the box. Super cute. So it comes with some blushes, a thank you card. It also comes with some wig caps for you to use. I don't use wig caps personally. It comes with some slanted tweezers, which is really helpful. And the hair comes in this little cute dust bag. So here is the wig. It is a 180 density 24-inch body wave wig, and right out of the box, like, it's so shiny. Look at that shine. Come on. Here's how the inside of the wig is looking, and you can see all the parting space as well as all the clips to clip it onto your hair. So I am going to go ahead and bleach these knots because I don't put on any wigs without bleaching the knots. I've tried methods to avoid bleaching knots, but I always end up going back and bleaching them. So bleach your knots, just make sure you don't over process them. So I would usually bleach my knots by putting it on the mannequin head, but I find that doing it this way actually leads me to a better result and I get less bleeding of the bleach from the other side. So we are going to dye this wig jet black because who doesn't love a nice jet black wig? We're going to separate the frontal part from the wefts part so we can avoid getting as much hair dye on the frontal as possible. I did end up getting some hair dye on the frontal part, but it's not visible, so I'm not worried about it. And look how dark this hair looks already, okay? It came out so good. So now I'm going to get ready to pluck this hair and I'm going to do my middle part and section it out first. And I'm going to just use my hot comb to lay down the edges so I can get a better view of what I'm seeing when I'm plucking. I feel like I've definitely gotten a lot better with my plucking technique, and I'll link a few videos down below of what I've been using to help me to pluck in this method. Everything will be down below. So now I'm going to use this foundation slash concealer duo to tint my lace, but I would just advise you to use your foundation color because you're going to get a way better match if you use your foundation. And here is how it is. Man, look at this. Look at how good that looks, man. Nobody can tell me nothing. That looks so good. So now I'm going to get ready to customize this wig and cut out the ear tabs so it can lay on my head perfectly fine. And look at this parting space, y'all. That is so much parting space to work with. 13 by 6 frontals are the wave. I'm going to go ahead and sew this elastic band onto this wig so it can lay securely on my head. So now I'm going to be cutting some face framing layers onto this wig just so this hair can have some more body when I'm curling it and that it's not all one length. Layers just make a wig look way better. So now here's where I kind of messed up a little. I'm going to be doing like some pin curls on this hair, but when I tell y'all these curls were like too curly and like they did not lay how I wanted them to lay because this hair can hold a curl. So I did all this work for no reason and the curls were too curly for my liking. I wanted more of like a wave for this hair and yeah. If you want tight curls in your hair, do pin curls. If you want more looser curls, then don't do pin curls. So here I've tried on the wig. It fits really nice. So now I'm getting ready to cut the lace I'm going to be using an eyebrow razor to do this instead of a scissor because I want the edges to be more jagged and not so straight like how it would be with scissors. And of course, we got to come in with the Gots to Be spray, and we're going to use that to melt our lace and have it laid flat because I don't like using glue. I'd be scared of glue, so I just use the Gots to Be spray because there's no commitment. I could have this come off whenever I want, but with glue, like, you really got to keep that on your head for like a week or two. So now I'm getting ready to do my baby hairs, and let me tell you, this part was so time consuming. Y'all are only seeing a few seconds of me attempting to do these baby hairs, but let me tell you, this took me a good 20 minutes to even do these baby hairs. Like, I hate baby hairs so much. They're so complicated for no reason. I guess it's because I'm not the best at it, and I know with practice I'll get better, but like, anybody else hate this whole baby hair part? And I really give props to these hairstylists because they can just lay these baby hairs with no problem, and I'm over here spending 20 minutes on just one side. It's ridiculous. But I will say the ending result came out really good, and I'm very proud of myself, even though it took me forever. So here is where I'm seeing that this hair is a little too curly for my liking. It's not laying how I want it to lay, and it's because I pin curled it. These curls were not dropping whatsoever. So what did I do? I went ahead and took my blow dryer and blow dried the heck out of this hair. Okay, I blow dried this hair for so long, and I basically blew it out until I got the nice curls that I wanted. And we are finally done. Oh my gosh, look at that body and shine. Wow. Let me know what you guys think down below. Hey guys, so this is the final product. I know, like, I did a whole outfit change and a makeup change. It's a long story. Not sure if you can tell, but it is night now, and I've gone the whole day with my hair curled out. I blew out the curls some more so it can kind of fall like this, and I am just loving this hair. I didn't put any spray on it or anything, and it's just been staying in this nice little wave. This is how the back is looking. Super shiny. So I did also end up taking some more lace off of the front of the wig, right here, right in the middle, because like my edges are pretty low, and I noticed that with me having the wig where it was, my forehead was so small and it didn't look good. So cut off some more lace. I am in love with this hair. It's so shiny. It hasn't lost any shine at all. I haven't put any products in it to make it shine either. The curls lasted so long, all day. I've had no issues. I put a lot of heat in this hair, okay? My curling iron was on the highest heat. I don't got no split ends, like the hair didn't dry out or anything like that. I will say I am a very, very impressed by this hair. So let me run down the specs real quick. This is a 24-inch wig in the body wave length. I cut off maybe like about an inch or two off of the bottom, and it comes down to right below my boob. And I am 5'3" for reference. It also is a 13 by 6 lace front wig. and comes with so much parting space, especially for the reasons why I needed that. If your edges hang lower on your forehead like mine do, and you need to actually cut the lace to make it fit your face shape better, these are the perfect types of wigs to use, because I was able to cut some of the lace and I still have a good amount of parting space left. And if the hair sheds over time and the edges become thinner, I can still cut the lace and start over, and I'll still have a good amount of parting space. This is why I love 13x6 lace frontal wigs, because you have so much versatility and you can wear this wig for a longer period of time. It is so pretty, and let me tell you, this frontal lays down so flat. While I was manipulating it, I realized how flat the frontal part of this wig lays, which is great, especially if you want to wear your hair up and you don't want that bulky frontal look. Y'all know what I mean, that bulky frontal look that we don't want. So that's something that I always look for in a great wig, how flat the frontal can get without like too much manipulation, because I know that if it gets hot or if like I'm running around all day, the frontal was not gonna like poof up and I'm not gonna look crazy. This hair is also 180 density, which is the perfect type of density that I like. I don't like when wigs feel too heavy and too bulky on my head. It's not too bulky and it's not too thin, and I still have a lot of body. I still have a lot of movement. So let me know, what do you guys think? Do you like it? I love it, y'all. I really would highly recommend getting this wig. Like, all jokes aside, definitely top 5 wigs that I've ever used, ever. And that's saying a lot. It holds a curl very well. I didn't use any product on this hair. I didn't use anything. So if you guys are interested in purchasing this wig, I'm going to leave all the information down below, and here is a coupon code for you guys to get money off of this wig. I'm telling you, go get this wig. It's really, really, really great quality. Make sure you get this exact one. 13x6 lace frontal body wave, 180 density. Thank me later. And I'm gonna need y'all to come back to these comment section after you get this wig and after you're done playing with it and loving it. And I would like some thank yous in the comment section. Thanks. You're welcome. You're welcome already. Also, don't forget to thumbs up this video and subscribe if you haven't already. Like, you guys had so much time to subscribe. Like, just subscribe. Like, it'll take you 2 seconds. I'll wait. Okay, thanks for subscribing, sis. Thanks so much for watching this video. I appreciate the support, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.